This is a little after 7 o'clock here. The hurricane's about an hour out. As you see, the trees are blowing pretty good here. They're really going. Can't tell those ones far away, but they're blowing too. We lost a treetop off of one of those earlier.
Let's start to take more of our live pictures that we have for you throughout the area. This is
see what we got going on over here. We were catching some bands of rain. You can see it's really blowing right now. I have no idea, 60 mile an hour or something. This is still nothing. When it hits us, it'll be 100 mile an hour plus. It'll be double this. You can see how these trees are, well, now it's going to see, no, it's not standing still, but you can see how they're rocking and rolling here. I'm sure the camera really doesn't even do justice. Alright, latest update.